Samantala sa confession room, kausap ni Kuya ang dance mentors ng housemates.
Hi, Kuya.
Hi, Kuya. Hello po.
Mickey at Reden, di ba?
Hello po, Kuya. Ako po si Reden Blanquera. Assistant choreographer po ni Vicky Pers.
Sa araw na ito ay kailangan ko sana muli ang tulong ninyo, Mickey. Merong 3 teams ang mga housemates ngayon. At meron ding kanya-kanyang leaders.
Okay.
So, Joaquim, Andre, and Yam Yam ang mga team leaders. But there are 3 genres.
Yes.
Pagpasok ng dance mentors sa bahay, tinipon nila agad ang housemates.
So, yung mga team leaders, Yam Yam, Joaquim, and Andre, if you have the chance, what genre would you pick?
Hip-hop.
Hip-hop. Ikaw, Joaquim.
Hip-hop din po.
Hip-hop.
Hip-hop.
Hip-hop. Okay. All of 3 hip-hop. So, the group who got hip-hop is... Joaquim's group. The group that got lyrical is... Yum. And Pam will be Andre.
Na-surprise po ng konti kasi ini-expect ko po na yung lyrical dance yung gagawin namin. Kailangan kong maging presentable din sa actual na sayaw na para po maging kaaya namang tingnan.
Feeling ko, sa amin pinakahirap na sayaw. Kasi kuya, fam dance, more of, parang lahat andun. Dapat attitude, katawan.
I like femme as well, but it's not my best kasi it's new for me. I've never really done that genre before in my life. It's going to be hard for both of me and Mary Grace because we don't have hardly any experience in this pole.